Well, hello dear viewers, dear guys, how are you? I think all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear viewers, you can speak yourself and practice yourself how to develop your speaking skill. Today I will disclose considerable aspect of enriching speaking skills. Today's lesson and learning assessment is considerable aspects of enriching speaking skills. To be a successful speaker, one should consider the following aspects. The purpose of speaking. Learner must have to learn what type of speaking he wants to describe. The purpose of speaking. Time, place, environment, and characteristics of target audience, relationship with the audience, and their interest level. Dear viewers, if you want to enrich your speaking skills, you have to learn grammatical rules accurately. Use of grammatical rules accurately is one of the important aspects of enriching speaking skills. Speaking fluently with correct utterance. Dear viewers, if you want to speak level, you want to speak correctly. Try to correct utterance. Production of sounds, stress, patterns, rhythmic structure and intonation of the language. Dear viewers, every language has personal stress, sound, patterns, rhythmic structures and intonation of its own. Speaking is an organized way, standard and comprehensive diction, avoiding unnecessary words, being careful about the audience patient level, use of relevant and logical gesture and posture, use of standard language, use of relevant examples. Dear viewers, if you want to develop your speaking skills, firstly you have to learn what's about you are going to speak on. The purpose of speaking. What is the purpose of speaking? You have to find out, then you start your speaking. Secondly, time, place, environment, characteristics of the target audience, relationship with the audience and their interest level. Thirdly, use of grammatical rules accurately, and then speaking fluently with correct utterance. Production of sound, stress, patterns, rhythmic structure and intonation of the language. Then, speaking in an organized way. Next, standard and comprehensive diction, avoiding unnecessary words. Dear viewers, if you develop your speaking level, you have to avoid unnecessary words, those whose words is not necessary to describe. Viewers, being careful about the audience patience levels. If you want to speak with the audience, speaking is an also art, and you have to remind about the audience, those who are listener. That means those who are currently listening to your speaking, you have to try best yourself to maintain their patience levels. You have to remind. Use of relevant and logical gesture and posture. Use of standard language. Viewers, you have to remember that what you are going to describe. You have to use easy and not used complexity word. You can use easily how the audience can understand. Dear viewers, today I have to discuss about characteristics, aspects, and considerable aspects of enriching speaking skills. If you want to enriching your speaking skills, you have to find out the purpose of speaking, time, place, environment, and characteristics of the target of audience, use of grammatical rules correctly, speaking fluently with correct utterance, production of sounds, stress, patterns, rhythmic structures, speaking in organized way. In this way, you can develop your speaking skills. Thank everybody, welcome everybody. Dear viewers, please like and comment and share the page. Allah Hafiz.